Congratulations on completing this Certified Quality Auditor CQA training. Throughout this course, we've explored essential auditing principles, techniques, and strategies to help you succeed in quality audits and certification exams. In this final lesson, we'll summarize 1 core concepts covered in the course, 2 key takeaways for auditors, 3 next steps for CQA certification and career growth. By reinforcing these concepts, you'll be well prepared for auditing challenges and professional advancement. 1 core concepts covered in the course: fundamentals of quality auditing, types of audits, auditing principles, and international standards like ISO 9001, ISO 19001, IATF 16949, FDA GMP, and OSHA. The audit process: planning, execution, reporting, interviewing techniques, and identifying nonconformities. Advanced audit skills: root cause analysis, risk-based auditing, and continuous improvement strategies. CQA exam preparation: exam format, time management, key concepts, mock exams, and study strategies. 2 key takeaways for auditors. Auditors ensure compliance and continuous improvement. A strong quality management system, QMS, is critical for organizational success. Effective audits require preparation and communication. Clear objectives and structured checklists lead to thorough evaluations. Data-driven decision-making strengthens audit results. Statistical analysis and performance metrics improve quality management. CQA certification boosts career opportunities, enhances credibility, job prospects, and leadership potential. Continuous learning is essential. Stay updated on ISO, FDA, and industry regulations, and join ASQ study groups. 3 next steps for CQA certification and career growth. Schedule the CQA exam. Register for the ASQ Certified Quality Auditor exam and review key study materials. Take practice tests and mock exams. Identify weak areas and improve speed and accuracy. Gain real-world auditing experience. Apply concepts in internal audits, supplier evaluations, and regulatory compliance roles. Continue professional development. Engage in quality management forums, workshops, and advanced certifications like Six Sigma or ISO Lead Auditor. Key takeaways: quality auditing ensures compliance, efficiency, and risk management. Mastering audit techniques, risk-based approaches, and quality tools strengthens an auditor's role. CQA certification enhances career growth, credibility, and leadership potential. Continuous learning and professional networking help auditors stay competitive. By applying audit principles and best practices, you'll contribute to business excellence and regulatory compliance. Thank you for joining this Certified Quality Auditor CQA training. Best of luck on your certification and career journey.